Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we're going to learn how to resolve the system UI not responding issues that some of us get in our Android device after some lag on the Android device. So what you just have to do to resolve this is you head over to the menu section. So when you get there, you navigate down to settings. You just look for settings. So go over to settings, and thereafter here in settings we have to look for app, and that's usually located in app and notification. This one here, so you just click on it. After clicking on it, we go over to application settings. This. So you click on application settings. So it's going to load and display all the apps or the mobile apps on your phone. Yeah, so these are all of them. So you just need to click on this icon for more options. So you click on show system. That show system is going to display all the system applications on your phone by default, all default system applications. So those applications added by or placed in your phone by the phone manufacturer, unlike the ones you downloaded from the Google Play Store. So let's click on the search icon here, and then you just type system UI. This is the app. This is the application responsible for that error. It actually manages the UI of your Android device. So what you just have to do, you just have to click it. You click on it. So first thing, you have to go over to storage and cache. So you click on cache. So what you need to do here is to clear cache. If the cache folder is cache files, yeah, if it's filled with some cache files, it might make it begin to lag. So that's why the UI sometimes lag. So you just click on clear cache. So as of now you've cleared cache, so you can just go back. Now in order to make this system UI app to somehow like restart, just to click on force stop. After clicking on force stop, the next thing you need to do is to restart your device. So you just restart your mobile device, and then this system UI issue is going to be solved. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit on the subscribe button, and if you want to get notified when I release more content later, you just click on the notification bell. Thanks, and you have a nice day.